Today we'll be putting some working safety on a bandsaw. There are a few things you have to do before you work a bandsaw. You have steel-toe boots, a short sleeve, or if you have a long sleeve, make sure it's rolled up, and you have to make sure your area is clear. Oh, and you have to make sure you have your glasses too.
In this step, we'll be showing you how to turn this machine on.
To turn this machine on, you would want to pull out the red button and to the right. And then, you're going to want to press the start button, which is green. Keep in mind to keep your fingers away from the saw blade.
This is how to shut this machine on.
To shut this machine off, you're going to want to press in the red button. And then, you're going to want to press in the brake to stop the blade completely.
In this step, we will be showing you how to clean up and make sure your bandsaw is clean and so it runs again.
Also, when you're cleaning up, make sure if there's broken blades, you throw them away. And if you're cutting with a broken blade, to get a new blade,